Why are property and casualty insurance companies investing in drones? It's not just for cool aerial shots. Drones are transforming how insurers inspect risk, respond to disasters, and make underwriting and claims decisions faster, safer, and more accurate than ever. Let's break it down. Drones are being used across the insurance value chain, but especially in property lines. After a major storm, wildfire, or hurricane, insurers deploy drones to safely assess damage across entire neighborhoods, without waiting for ground crews or putting adjusters in harm's way. This allows carriers to inspect more properties more quickly and get money into policyholders' hands faster. They're also being used for remote inspections, especially in areas that are hard to access, like steep roofs, large farms, remote wildfire zones, or even post-disaster zones that are still unsafe. Instead of sending a team with ladders and paperwork, a drone can scan the area in minutes. That's not just convenient, it's safer, cheaper, and more efficient. Beyond claims, insurers are also leveraging drones in underwriting. They can be used to scan properties before issuing a policy, providing updated views of conditions that might not show up in a traditional appraisal or satellite image. The benefits? Big. Faster inspections mean quicker turnaround on claims and underwriting. Fewer on-site visits reduce costs and physical risk to adjusters. High-res imagery provides more objective documentation, and automation is already being layered in to flag potential risks, like roof deterioration or fire hazards. But there are challenges. Policyholders sometimes feel uncomfortable with drone surveillance, especially near homes or private areas. There are also regulatory hurdles, especially when it comes to flight permissions, airspace use, and how drone-collected data is stored and used. Data privacy is a big concern. What if the drone captures more than just the insured property? What are the rights of neighbors or bystanders? These are questions insurers are still working through with regulators. And not every area is drone-friendly. Weather conditions, flight restrictions, or dense urban zones can limit effectiveness. Plus, while drones can gather incredible data, they still require skilled operators and analysts to interpret what they see. So, what does the future look like? Expect drones to become standard in the insurance toolkit, especially when paired with other technologies like AI and computer vision. That means smarter inspections, automated risk scoring, and even real-time damage assessments during events. Insurers may also move toward on-demand drone networks where local pilots can be dispatched automatically through a platform, just like rideshare. As regulatory frameworks mature and policyholder education improves, trust in drone use is likely to grow, especially if it leads to faster claims and better service. Bottom line, drones aren't replacing humans, but they're giving insurers an aerial advantage to serve customers better, manage risk smarter, and respond faster when it matters most. If you learned something new, be sure to like this video, subscribe to Insur Knowledge, and follow along for more breakdowns of where the insurance industry is headed next.